Hello guys, Lidway, in today's video we're going to be polishing my shifter boot, and we're going to put it in a new for the handbrake. So now all we had, if you didn't see my last video, you know that if you did see it, you know that it's like two screws right here, and there's one right here, one right here, and if you have any junk, just take those out because there's two in there. So I'll just get to it. I take this out. So if you remember, before I start this video, I said there was a bolt right there, right? Well, I forgot to take this bolt out, and I literally almost wiped this apart. As you could see. And for this, when you want to take this off, so yeah, to take this off, I guess you have to push it out like that. And for this literally come right off. I'll tell you, take these two screws right there, just come on out. Just make sure you undo the wire that's connected to this and the wire that's connected to that. So that's all it is. So let me get right to it. So I forgot to mention, guys, so right there's like a thing that holds this. It's right there. It's like attached to it. So it's both sides. I just find that out. There is one right here. I would spend all night if I didn't notice that. So yeah, let's do this. Yeah, man, let me take this out. This come out pretty easy. Just take it out. Now let's get to the fun part, which is the installing. So I take this out. I don't know, like maybe I should have put this on top of it. Nah, but still. Now I got something else planned for it, but yeah. So there you have it. So where's the thing? There it is. So I got this to put in here. So this is why I will move the stock one. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put this right here. I got this in case if any of you guys are interested. I got this from Wish. Yeah, it was like a $6. Yeah, and it came with this one. Came with this, but I'm not sure if I know how to take this out instead. So I don't really know how to do it, so I'm not gonna break it. So I just got a blue one to match the color. I bought this for like $6. Felt like I was being ripped off, but it looked nice as hell. So yeah, so let's get the shift boot installed. I'm just gonna ignore this because yeah, this is not looking good at all. Yeah, I'm just gonna ignore it. Well, I guess I took a minute and I looked it up, and what I found is that all I had to do was just pull it out. After I pulled it out and just came out, so I'm just gonna take it off and put this one in. Yeah, hopefully. Then put this one on top of it. So let's do it. So as you guys know, this and this like wasn't able. So this was not able to fit in this. But I'm also worried about something else though. This is the stock one. The stock one have this way here for this thing to like destroy to happen, but the aftermarket one doesn't have it, so I'm kind of worried. So I'm just gonna go stock. So since this cannot go in this, so there was like little aluminum thing showing. So I take all of them out so I would be able to put it in this like this. So right now I'm just gonna like put some grease in it and make it go in easier. Yeah. So just like that. Now let me get up and go get the grease. So guys, it did not happen as I was expected to happen. That thing broke, and I tried to hit it with the hammer. That's what broke it. So don't do that. So now what I had to do is I had to like drill the bottom so I could put this in. So when I put this right here, oh please, okay, there it's fake. But I'm just gonna have to open this up a little bit, and when I put this in, so you'll be able to screw inside of this. So And for this, if you have followed me for long, if you know that this is pretty easy. Like, just take this out, and this out, then just put the new one in. So this is the thing I'm having the hard time with. Like, that's my first time doing this. So yeah, let's just do it. So there you guys have it. There is the finished product, and for this was kind of a pain in the butt because this thing was coming loose, so I had to make a hole in this. I have to screw something. I have to make a screw so it doesn't come loose when I press the handbrake. When I press it, oh, it's like the next day right now. Right now I'm at my school, so yeah, and this is the finished product. Let me put this back. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button. Now see you guys next time. In case you're wondering where I got these from In.focus. This guy from Instagram. They are famous for that. They make some bunch of this stuff. So I went with the sky, with a galaxy. It's really nice, and they have all this type of orders you could choose from. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Now see you next time.